Hi everyone, I hope all is well. In today's video, I'm going to share this newest long-term TRON cloud mining site that has 2.5 to 8% daily interest rate. Just a quick disclaimer, this is an investment platform. If you are interested, please do your own research. I also provided a white paper in the description so you can study that at your own pace. And also, I am not a financial advisor. This is just for educational purposes to let you know that cloud mining site is one of the platforms that can help us earn passive income. So about this website, it is a world-leading crypto asset management platform and a reliable crypto cloud mining provider which provides products and tools to generate income from digital assets. The team behind this website, like TRX, comes from leading financial firms in Singapore with experience in crypto portfolio management. Now, to get started, you just have to fill out the form with your mobile number, login password, security password, and if you are using my invite link, my code will auto-populate there. And lastly, you have to solve the CAPTCHA just to prove that you are not a robot. Once done, hit sign up and there's an announcement pop up. Here, they provided their official Telegram group. You can also click in order to join and that you won't miss any of their important announcement in the future. And in order for us to understand the benefits of their promotion, they have a breakdown here. If a level 1 user invests 500 to 10,000 TRX, you will get an additional 5% reward of his or her investment amount. If a level 1 user invests 10,001 TRX to 50,000 TRX, you will get an additional 6% reward of his investment amount. So if you are a visual learner, I suggest you go to their official website so you will find it easier to calculate your possible commission for promotion. So let's just close this because I'm so excited to show you the other features. So we are here at the home page and as you can see, I got an instant 500 TRX. But I won't be able to withdraw this because my account is not yet active. I need to recharge at least 5 TRX for my withdrawal function to be activated. I will explain that later and I will guide you step by step for that. And now let's explore the other features to see where we can find our invite link. So by clicking on the share button, a QR code and an invite link will show up. You copy that and share to your contacts, friends, and social media platforms because as I've mentioned earlier, the benefits of their promotions is so awesome. And of course, you will be able to track your referrals by clicking on the team button. There's level 1, level 2, level 3, and the user profit and amount will show up as well. And now, this is the edge of this website among the rest because Lite TRX is also available to download and that's for both Android and iPhone users. You will also see that there are two accounts, the wallet and the promotion. And if you scroll more, you will see the slogan. And the slogan says, "Join to be a TRON millionaire." And it says to get the most TRX revenue, TRX miner and DeFi technology is being used. See, TRX mining is working 8%. Also, you will be able to see the platform data display. As of now, the accumulated profit is more than $2.8 million. And under the membership, there's 199,523 members. They also included a brief background of their company, and at the bottom, you will see their global partners. Now, as promised earlier, I'd be happy to walk you through on how to recharge so our account will be activated and that we can withdraw. There's a warm reminder, the TRX deposit quantity must exceed 5 TRX before you can make daily withdrawals. Okay, that's understandable. So if we are going to convert 5 TRX as of today, that's around $0.29. So let us proceed to our recharge tutorial. First, click on deposit. And another important note, every time you recharge, please click request recharge to get the latest TRX address for payment. Please don't use the address that had been paid before, otherwise the recharge may fail. So now let us hit copy address. The QR code will show up and the latest TRX address is now available for deposit. Let's just copy the address, go to our personal wallet, select TRON because we are sending TRX, and after that, click on withdraw, select send via crypto network, paste the wallet address that we copied from the website, And the network should be TRON TRC20. And after that, fill out the amount. Since I'm sending 10, I'll make it 11 because 1 is for the gas fee. And after that, click on withdrawal, review the information above, click on confirm, check the box and confirm again. And for the verification part, just enter the code sent via SMS and via email. Ta-da! Request submitted. So let's go back to the website to see if the 10 TRX deposit has been successful. Indeed, it is successful. And if you are wondering how to withdraw, follow the steps I'm gonna show you. Click on withdraw, select basic account, enter the amount. I'm going to withdraw 0.25 TRX because that's the withdrawable amount. And take note that's zero fee. So I'll go ahead and open my Binance wallet to copy my address. Click on deposit, TRON TRC20, and then copy your wallet address to paste it there. After pasting the wallet address, you will then be asked for your security password. So make sure you won't forget your security password because you will be asked for that every time you request for withdrawals. And I'm going to check my email to confirm if this website is really paying. As you can see, my TRX withdrawal has been successful. So guys, I will end the video here, and if you find this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. I will also appreciate if you subscribe because I have more platforms to share where we can earn passive income. Happy earnings!